So in this video, I'm going to go over the product invoice list. And the product invoice list is just essentially where you'll find all the product invoices that you've created. All right. So if you want to create a new product invoice, you can just go ahead and click on this button right up here, and it will take you right to the same place that this product invoice will take you so that you can create a new product invoice. All right. There are ACH products, and that's what this will show. So you can just ignore that for now, and in a later video, we're going to go over those ACH products and how to create them. All right. So here you can see all the products that you've actually created, and you'll be able to see the product name, how many people have actually purchased this product, the currency, the total price, if there's a subscription plan, what custom fields that you've actually used, if you have set any type of limits, and when you created it, you'll also be able to actually go straight and get a link to the actual invoice, and you will also be able to go straight there. And I'm going to show you what this page is here in just a couple minutes, and I'm going to show you how this can actually help you. You can delete the product invoice if you want. You can go in and actually edit this product. If you want to go in and actually edit it, you can go in and edit the product. If you need to edit it, you'll be able to edit it. I want you to note that the only thing that you're going to be able to actually edit is going to be, you can add hidden fields if you want to add hidden fields. You can change your limits. You can change your limits and all that good stuff. You won't be able to actually edit the line items or anything. You can edit the name, and you can see everything that's actually editable here though. All right, so if you want to edit it, that's how you can go in and actually edit it. And then if you want to add a widget to it, then you can go in and actually add a widget to it. And later on, we'll be talking about the widgets, and you'll understand how to actually add them and what they are. But if you want to add one, you'll be able to go in and actually add those widgets to, your product invoice. All right, so that's pretty much everything that you need to know here.